Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be trying out the new Bush's Flavor Fusions baked beans. This one is the buffalo spiked honey. So you guys, we're going to need 2 cans of that and also a pack of the beef smoked sausage. Okay guys, all we're going to do is get a pot and go ahead and empty our baked beans in. Then we're just going to go ahead and heat them up on a low heat. Okay guys, next I'm just going to go ahead and cut our beef smoked sausage. Okay guys, once all your beef smoked sausage is cut, we're just going to go ahead and grab a frying pan and we're going to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Okay guys, after you sprayed your frying pan with some non-stick cooking spray, we're just going to put the heat on medium-low and we're going to go ahead and begin to place our smoked beef sausage in. Okay guys, once you have your smoked sausage in your frying pan, we want to let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, our smoked sausage is cooking up nicely. Okay guys, once the smoked sausage is done, all you want to do is go ahead and put it onto a paper towel so it can drain the excess grease off before you put it into your baked beans. Okay guys, now for the baked beans, I've tasted them and they have a nice kick of spice to it. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to it and we're just going to mix that up until it's well combined, and then we're going to be ready to add our beef sausage. Okay guys, all I'm going to do now is add the sausage in and give it a nice stir. I thought it would have a little bit more flavor with the beef sausage instead of the traditional hot dogs. Okay guys, so here we have it. Bush's new Flavor Fusions baked beans, buffalo spiked honey with beef sausage in it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.